What is this? All the time. All the time. All the time, all the time. You cannot relax. Seems like it's a war here. All the time. I wonder why do they do this? Why do they do this? What is the point of it? I'm definitely missing out on something. Or not missing out, I'm definitely missing something. Like this all the time. For me, who don't know what it is, it's really annoying. I'm being honest. Every 5 minutes someone is doing this. Just random noises like this. And smoke. So many times this happens. I have no idea what it is. Sometimes it's without smoke. But many times you just see some smoke and those noises. I wonder what this is. Let's see this again, guys. Look at that, guys. Is that fireworks? Who would use fireworks in the middle of the day? So they had this thing that sounded like fireworks. Now I finally saw what it is. And they do some dances around. They did some dances around that. No idea what it means. I think they still celebrate the Chinese New Year, but I don't know what this means actually. But now I finally find out what those sounds are. Where do they come from? Guys, please let me know what these are. It took me a week or 10 days to realize that these are actually fireworks, or at least they look like fireworks to me. Random people out of nowhere, they just pop them and they start making this noise. They don't go into the sky and make those I don't know, they don't go into the sky, right? They stay on the ground and they only make noise. At the beginning, I honestly thought at the beginning it was something like, I don't know. The first time when I heard it, I had no idea what it was. I don't want to say it was like a machine gun or anything like that, but the first time I heard it, it sounded a little similar to that, so I didn't know what it was. And it took me about 10 days to finally see that people are just lightning them. But I don't understand the point of it. I don't understand why they do it just randomly and every day. And every 5 minutes, especially in the morning, every 5 minutes someone is doing this. I'm actually closing the windows even though I'm 41st floor because of this, because they're really noisy. But I'm sure there is something that I don't know. And Chinese New Year is already finished, but maybe it has something to do with it. I don't know. Let me know so at least, I know what it is. Because I know that there are some smarter people than I am here on my channel that might know what this is. So let me know. That's it. See you in the next video.